See how these raspberries are doing. Bees are doing their job. Very active. You can see it's popping up, but there's not a lot of seeds that germinated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I count 8. I'm gonna go in and plant some new stuff. I had a deer walk through because my son left the gate open while he was mowing. So we'll set up and replant the peas. I've replanted the peas. They're doing all right. I had a mole come through here and just devour the first set. I only had three plants that survived. They're going to flower now, so I'll get some fruit, but peas have been decimated. And then the beans, I had to replant down in this area. They didn't do very well on their germination either. These are doing fine in here. They all got eaten by some slug or something down in here. It's got some slug bites on it. I'll have to put some pellets down. Yeah, let's get going here. I had a comment from milkweed. I'll put the comment up. And here's my corn seeds. Been soaking overnight. They've swelled up. They're not sprouted yet, but that's all right. I'm gonna put them in. He said I planted too closely together and I used the wrong kind of seed, so I'm gonna listen to him because my corn doesn't pop up in rows like it should, so I'm going with Milkweed's advice on this one. We're going every 12 inches and rows not closer than 17, so I'm gonna only put 2 rows in here at 12 inches. So we'll start right here, and then one right here. That's about 18 inches apart. And 12 inches. 12 inches. Yeah, that'll work. There's one there already. I'll leave that one. Alright. That's it. That's how many I'm putting in. One. All right. One there. Oops, missed it. Oh, wrong one. Done ya. All right. We'll cover those up a little bit. All right, there we go. So thank you, Milkweed. I appreciate the advice. More onions to plant in here. Not too many, but a few, and these weeds need to come out, so we're gonna do that next. Just a 5-packer. sure I don't weed them. Just a little apple wood. There we go. Okay, the onions are planted, corn's planted. I got the onions weeded. The potatoes are doing awesome. I got 2 beds full of potatoes. This one here, I haven't touched yet. Still got the fabric on it. I think this week I'm gonna take that fabric off of it, move those plants. Those are just some cuttings that I've done. That holly tree I pruned back and you can see it. I think I killed it. This one. I'll leave it for a little bit and see. But I'm gonna move those pots out of there. And I'll plant corn, I think, in there too, because I have a lot of corn. That's for next time. All right, you guys have a good day. Get outside. It's nice out here. These guys, Aqualegia, they've been blooming for like a month, it seems like. Columbine, 2 different colors. Got the regular blue. It's got a good blue color to it. And then this is a darker one. They're just about done. They're about ready to go to seed. And the roses are just starting to pop. You can see some buds there, but here's one coming. Yeah, oh, here's my French perfume. Just starting to come out of the winter. The first ones are never all that great. It's got a little black tinge to it. But we got more coming. And the lupins. Got these from a guy at work, San, my friend at work, San. He gave me a few plants of this lupin. Planted it last year in the fall. And they're very tall. They're good. 2.5, maybe closer to 3 feet tall. Love them. The dahlias are coming. There's an aster, white aster. Doesn't bloom until the very fall. September, late August. Dahlias are all coming up very nicely. I had to put 2, maybe possibly even 3 applications of slug pellets down. You can see down in here, the slugs got to this one. Should be like that. They're doing fine. The slugs got to this one also. And then my sea hollies and my escaped my brain, blue globe thistle. That's what these are. I got a blue globe thistle and a sea holly, both blue. Yeah. All right, just a little glimpse.